Changing your payout method on IG Group is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your IG Group account by entering your credentials on the official website or app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the profile section or under a menu icon, depending on the platform you are using. Step 3. Select payout methods. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the option to add or change your payout method. You may need to enter new payment details such as bank account information or digital wallet credentials. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, ensure you save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on IG Group. Make sure to review your payment settings periodically to ensure they remain accurate.